Today I have a at-home, well, a homemade pre-workout. I'll show you this quick recipe. Like sometimes, okay, I'm gonna start off and say this. Sometimes we like to use synthetic pre-workout, and today I'm gonna be using espresso instead of using a synthetic pre-workout that we would typically get in the gym. Not saying that coffee is the best thing in the world, because it can be acidic if you're taking in too much, and too much coffee or espresso can mess with your melatonin when you're trying to fall asleep at night. So it's more so just to give you an idea of what to prepare if you are low on energy, if you didn't have enough sleep at night and you're trying to push through a workout. This is another alternative, and everything here has a purpose. Espresso, we have the and the cacao. I don't use cocoa, I use cacao instead, because it's the purest form of chocolate that's out there. So we have cacao powder, we have the espresso, we have almond butter, banana, and I have this creamer that's mixed with macadamia nuts and coconut. So this is going to be, and everything serves its purpose. This is filled with electrolytes. We have the calcium, potassium, magnesium, which are your electrolytes, along with other chloride and things of that nature. So we want to make sure that we have enough energy throughout our workout, and these ingredients here is going to provide us with that. So we have our almond butter, which also has calcium and magnesium and a lot of other benefits. In addition to that, research have shown that the cacao and the espresso have properties to help to boost the metabolism and increase fat loss. Now, again, all of this that I'm telling you is to give you some insight. Hey, if I ingest this, it's going to help with this and help me to reach my goal a lot quicker. But this, if you think that consuming this alone without exercising, without proper nutrition, is going to get you to lose fat, that's not the ideal thing to do. It's just being knowledgeable of what's going into your body when you are working out and what you need to consume for energy. So my advice to you would be, if you have checked with your doctor, always check with your doctor before you're implementing anything new into your routine. And take this at least an hour before you work out, because we don't want to work out on a full stomach. Sometimes that may cause us to be nauseous. So let's start with mixing up the drink. So I'm gonna, Paige had a banana earlier. I'm gonna use half of her banana. This is Paige's banana earlier, and 4 ounces or half a cup of espresso. This you can get at your local grocery store if you don't want to make it yourself. We purchased this from Whole Foods. Well, I'm only using a half a cup. Everybody's different. Everybody's caffeine tolerance is a little bit different, but again, you have to customize it to your specific needs. We have some cacao powder, half a tablespoon of cacao powder, then I'm just going to eye the amount of creamer that I'm going to use. Typically this is supposed to be a tablespoon, but that looks about right. A tablespoon of that as a natural sweetener. Instead of using sugar, this is what I use. So this apple sweetener is equivalent to the 1 tablespoon. I think they say 1 tablespoon of sugar is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of this stuff. This is a low glycemic sweetener. So we're gonna use that. Not too much, because I want it super sweet. And I'm gonna finish off with some almond butter. Again, this has the magnesium and calcium in here. So I'm gonna use a tablespoon of almond butter and some ice to top it off. Then I'll blend and taste it to see if the taste is to my liking. Adding a splash of almond milk. Again, the amount that you, or what you like to add to your little espresso mix, is to your liking. And then we're gonna blend the ingredients together. And this is quick, nothing too crazy. It's not hard to do. Just simple ingredients. pre-workout espresso drink that's going to help speed up the metabolism, help to provide the body with some electrolytes to give you energy throughout your workouts, and to help you to be an overall better individual. Now, you guys have watched this video and I appreciate you for sticking with me, and we always provide informative content to help you be a better person throughout your journey. All I ask is that you please like this content, because we want to be in the YouTube algorithm. And a lot of times you guys watch a video, you forget to hit like, you forget to comment, you forget to do all of this. If you really enjoy our content, if you enjoy what we provide for you, don't forget to hit like, share the video, let people know, hey, this is a great idea. Look what I found out online. Just keep on sharing us, and we always appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you again, and I will see you next time. Take care. This is so refreshing. It's so good. Like, how could you not? Oh my God.